Alright, I thought I'd make a quick video today, because I got a question on it the other day, on how to hook a battery tender to a vehicle. Now, a battery tender is a device that will maintain the charge on your vehicle's battery if it has to sit for a long time. Like my diesel, I only use that when I tow, so that sits fairly often. Used to be when I had another vehicle or when I was riding my motorcycle a lot, this truck would sit a long time, so I would have it on here maintaining the battery. On my hot rod, I have one on it. On the motorcycle, I've got one on it. So if you don't keep your batteries topped up, you're going to kill them, and they're going to die prematurely. And these are pretty simple. They're not that expensive, depending on what you get, somewhere between $20 and $50. And the way they hook up, they'll usually come with two sets of cables, one with just clamps on them, and another one that you can hardwire. They hook up exactly the same manner. Find your plus, the positive terminal, which this one here. Plus sign is underneath that terminal. Clip that to there. Clip the negative terminal to negative. And then you have your adapter, which plugs into the machine. So what we're going to do here now is pop this end off. This can only go one way. Plug it in. And now we're going to plug in the machine. There. See what we have? According to the top of this thing, steady red light, the battery is charging. Very good. Okay, and that's really it. And now you can just let this thing sit, and eventually it'll float where these will blink, and then the green light will be on, and that's when it goes into storage mode. If you can't see that, we'll come up a little closer, you can see the little red light. Now, I got it thinking about it, and there's something here where it says if the red light's flashing, battery is not connected properly. So, I'm going to see if I can smoke this thing by flipping the leads. I'm going to do this wrong on purpose. Oop. And now you can see it knows it has a problem, so it's not doing anything. So flip these back like that, as it's supposed to be, and there. So the nice thing about these is they've got some built-in safeties to it that keep you from making a dumb mistake and just hooking it up backwards and smoking something. You just have to pay attention to your lights. When you're done, as long as that only one light is on and it's charging, or the green light's blinking by itself, or the green light is on, that means you're hooked up properly and it's charging. Now, there's another way to do this, and I'll show you over on my dually. And this one's a little special in two ways, because it has two batteries. You don't need two chargers if you got a two battery system, because the batteries are hooked together via all these cables, so you only need the one charger. And I am using the hardwired one here that I just ran up underneath or between the seal, and it comes out right behind the hood, so I don't have to open the hood every time. I just tie wrapped it up here. But what I did with this one, you can see I have it on the terminal on top of the on top of the positive side of the battery. And instead of running it over here because I didn't have enough wire, there's actually a chassis ground right here. So I ran that wire to the chassis ground, which is just perfectly fine. And I have this plugged in here, and it maintains both batteries in this truck without having to do anything special. And it has the same other, considerations as you would with the one that I just showed you. So that's pretty much it. These are fairly simple. You just have to make sure you get your polarity right. If you don't, usually the machine will yell at you. You shouldn't do any damage to anything. And once it's charged, it'll just float and keep everything happy. And you can really extend the life of your batteries if you do this. My hot rod, when I bought that, I know it had been on a battery tender basically since it was built, and when I finally did have to replace that battery, it was 12 years old. So if you don't use a vehicle very often and you want to keep your battery happy, definitely get something like this. Make sure you hook it up properly. You're going to be good to go. Talk to y'all later.